For most people in the world, electricity is a mystery, something magical that travels at unimaginable speeds. The thing that we take for granted to power our daily lives. From launching a spaceship to lighting a bulb, everything depends on electricity. We want it to be safe. We want it to be reliable. We want it to be efficient. We want it to be sustainable. But how does this mysterious force power the lives of billions of people every day? It takes the collective efforts of electrical designers, contractors, equipment manufacturers, panel builders, system integrators, operators, and maintenance staff who navigate the technical details of electrical systems and provide the power behind every single switch. The electrical landscape is complex. We at ETAP demystify it with a unique model-driven digital twin providing continuous intelligence across the life cycle of power and energy management. We enable electrical design engineers and contractors to design electrical networks with precision and carry out all the complex network analysis to ensure safety and reliability for all. We equip mechanical engineers and electrical panel builders to efficiently build and commission their equipment. We empower system integrators to design automation and control systems with a seamless electrical digital twin. We provide powerful digital technologies for asset management for electrical engineers to operate their sites with confidence. We enable site management teams to efficiently onboard new staff using the electrical digital twin to understand the system and test their skills before handling mission-critical operations. We empower businesses to automate their power systems and help senior management teams make informed decisions to enhance site sustainability and meet their net zero targets. This magical electrical world is essential to our daily lives. We make it safe, reliable, efficient, and sustainable. We are leading the energy transition towards a cleaner, more resilient electric world for future generations. We are ETAP.